Hey, welcome. This is Angelique Espinoza for the Boulder Chamber YouTube channel, and I'm here with Sam Weaver, who's running for Boulder City Council. Welcome, Sam.
Hi, Angelique.
It's great having you here, and our viewers would like to know where you think you would go to bring economic vitality to Boulder.
So I think Boulder is an extremely economically vital place right now. So where I would start is looking at the programs we have, like the flexible rebate program, and making sure that those continue forward. We've done things to retain businesses as they've grown, and I think the city needs to continue the current programs because they've been very successful so far. Other things that I support for economic vitality include a dedicated program for an economic vitality, so dedicated budget for an economic vitality program within the city. And I want to talk a little bit about how I view business in Boulder. I'm a small business owner. I have a company that makes renewable energy equipment here in Boulder, and so I understand a great deal about what's required to keep a business going forward. I want to talk about Gina McCarthy a little bit. She's the new head of the EPA, and she presented what government's role is in developing business in the following way. So we have a need to create jobs. Of course, the economy requires people to work and sustain their families. And then we also have a need to create a sustainable environment so that we have something to hand off to our children and grandchildren. And the junction between those two needs is innovation. And that's one thing that Boulder does an extremely good job of. We have the federal labs here, we have the University of Colorado, we have some great anchor businesses in aerospace and pharmaceutical development, and those anchor businesses allow smaller, innovative businesses to spin off and create the small business engines that grow the economy. And I think that the way this works in Boulder is very good right now, and some of the things that could use additional examination perhaps to make it even better than it is include tax policy. There's a use tax policy right now that penalizes people who develop hardware a little bit, and I think we need to take a look at that as well as the software taxes and understand, is this really going to incentivize the kind of business and business growth that we want here in Boulder? A little bit more about my background. I currently serve on the planning board in the city of Boulder. I was chief of the Sugarloaf Fire Department for a couple years and served on that for 15 years. And so I understand not only how important business is to the community, but how it integrates with the other pieces. So I'd appreciate your vote in the coming election, and thank you very much for taking the time to hear my thoughts.
Great, Sam. Thanks so much. And is there one last thing you'd like to share with our viewers?
Yeah, everybody make sure and get out and vote this year.
Fantastic. This is Angelique Espinoza signing off for the Boulder Chamber YouTube channel.